Hey, good early Friday morning, everyone. Wanted to give you really an update on what's going on with the pattern. Why have we been so warm? This is crazy. We've been upper 70s, 80, 82, 83 degrees over the past several days. Pretty good trend for quite some time. We should only be 65, 66, 67 degrees for this time of the year, heading into Halloween and also the beginning of November. Pattern set. Cycle's been set. It's not in a good spot. I mean, if you like the warmer weather, then it's great. Usually this time of the year, we start to see some changes. Should have already had our first frost. A lot of areas did see their first frost over the last couple of weeks, but we haven't had at least a hardcore frost and freeze across the region, which we usually do by this time of the year. Let me show you what's going on, at least over the next couple of days. At least the nice weather's going to stick around. Heading into this afternoon, temperatures, great. Look at this. Most areas, upper 70s, 80, 81 degrees. Look at this. It actually continues into Saturday, near 80 degrees. Most locations, much the same. Let me go into Sunday. There's a cold front that sneaks in briefly. It's not that big of a deal. Maybe 76, 77 degrees instead of 80. But in general, it looks pretty good. Even into Halloween, still. Temperatures, 78, 80 degrees in most locations. So it's pretty crazy. I mean, we stay really warm over the next 3, 4, 5 days. Let me show you why. I'm going to go wide view here, and I'm going to look, in a sense, at where our storm systems are and where's our jet stream. See this huge bubble right here? Here's our jet stream way up here. Here's our huge bubble, big ridge of high pressure. Till this guy breaks down, we're not going to see anything. That means the weather stays nice. So let me track all the way into Monday. Still, in a sense, ridge of high pressure. Let's go through late next week. Here's where the model, because we're looking at a model, really goes bad. See how it has the jet stream way up into Canada? This is the weirdest setup I think I've ever seen in my entire life. That's not going to happen. But what we're looking at with the pattern is we're in the part of the pattern that we had early September. The key is, here in the next couple weeks, we start to get pretty active. We get storm systems where the jet stream's diving into Northern California and out through the Central Plains. So that's the key. That's what we want to watch for as we head through the next few weeks, and things will start to pick up just a little bit. Here, look at the top of the screen. This is what we call our AO, Arctic Oscillation. Last year, okay, see this line right in here? This is zero line. So you can see September, beginning of October. See how we were positive above the line. And that's what we had all last year. Look at October 10th. Takes a dip. We've been negative. Look what's projected for November. Negative. When you're in the negative in the winter months, you get Arctic air. You get Arctic air, you get snow. Last year we never had negative AO. We didn't have any snow. So at least that trend shows us we're going to have a negative AO as we head through the winter months. So that's something to keep our eyes on. I'll keep you updated. Remember, right below here is your long-range forecast. Have a great Friday. Have a great weekend.